How's it going? Hey, I think that perfect is the enemy of complete or something. There's some expression like that. Basically, the idea is it's better to get something working than to try to constantly strive to get it perfect. So let's just see if we can take the stories that we have and make an administration from them rather than whatever I'm doing, just turning my wheels indefinitely. So the first thing I want to do is make a MySQL. Here, I have it off screen. I have my password here. It doesn't really matter if you see my MySQL password, but I don't want you to see my other passwords. So let's see here. This is not a bash prompt. What are you doing? Create database. I don't know. ESLQ. All right, ESLQ. I guess that's it. Okay, I don't need that right now. This is my password right here. So I guess you've already seen my password. Let's see. It's just a random string. Okay. So what we did was we created these raw stories here. Once upon a time, there was a cat who liked to play. One day, the cat found a ball and started to chase it. The cat had so much fun. Yay! Okay. And then we have these parts of speech here. I have an idempotent script, which will go through and add the parts of speech. So let's establish a core curriculum. And then from that, well, let's just start with that. So what am I doing here? I think I need a scratch pad. I don't have a scratch pad. New text document. New Python file. That's what I want. Scratchpad.py. We're going to... I should have a raw dialogues. List JSON files in directory. Where's my scratch pad? Okay. And then instead of raw dialogues, it's going to be raw stories. And then let's just see if this works here. Should work. All right. Okay, now what we're really interested in is the parts of speech. So let's say counter C equals counter. Import this name. And then POS equals data POS. Then for subarray in POS, and then tuple equals tuple of SA, and C of T plus equals 1, and then we want most common, I don't know, 100. Dot items. Dot what just happened? What is this returning? Oh, okay. For X in print X. Show me what we got. So A once upon time, and the is lower than I thought. That surprises me. There was to in, and all the way down to this. I think, honestly, I think this is perfect. We're going to call this our core curriculum. So let's go to ChatGPT here. I'm going to say, what do we call it? ESQL. Write Python code to add parts of speech to a MySQL database named ESLQ. It should have all columns indexed, a part of speech, word and lemma, and level integer. Okay, set up database connection, create the table, insert records into the table. Here's Python script. Okay, it's doing the index, it's indexing the levels. I think this is awesome. I think this is doing exactly what we want it to do. Okay. Wait. And then, where's app? Shift Control T to get it back? Nope, that ain't working. Shift Control Tab. I hate you. I hate you so much. I closed it by accident, man. Alright. All I wanted was the config. Okay, why are you angry? No data sources are configured to run this SQL. Are now. Create combinations. Oh, that's the wrong file. No wonder I was confused. I'm like, what the hell? Okay. Is that the wrong connector? I don't think so. Okay, so we're going to create the connection. There is no create connection. This is more different than I expected. Localhost, root, that nonsense. Okay. Would you stop being pissed off now? Please stop being pissed off. Change dialect to MySQL. Okay, create connection, insert. Oh, I knew exactly what I wanted it to do. Okay, so insert record. Yes, x0, x1, x2. Oh, the first one's supposed to be the connection. And then the level is going to be 1. So run Scratchpad. Tuple index out of range, 0, 1, 2. Print x. Oh, shit. Did I insert data? I'm pretty sure I did. Delete from parts of speech. There we go. So run. You can't run this command now. Run 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see what's going on. I see what happened. So it never inserted anything. That's good. Run. These should all be level 1 now. We should be able to select database ESQL. Database ESQL. You can probably tell I'm not a database engineer. How do I switch to ESQL database inside of my SQL command prompt thingy? I don't know what the hell it's called. MySQL shell. Thank you. Use. That's what it is. Use ESQL. ESQL, ESQL. Did I call it something different? ESLQ. Okay, apparently I'm dyslexic. List tables. Show tables. Thank you. Select star from parts of speech. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted here. So that is that's probably good. So insert record. This method is not idempotent. Modify it so it will not insert if the part of speech word and lemma already exist in the database table. For matching, level may be ignored. To make the methyl idempotent, you can use the insert ignore or insert on duplicate key update statements. These statements will help prevent inserting duplicate records based on a unique constraint. See, I would have tried to put the logic in Python. This is why we use ChatGPT. On duplicate key update level equals values level. You know what? I prefer this one. I just do. Now, for now, what we're going to do is we're going to do nothing. CNT equals 0. CNT plus equals 1. What is length of x? Print length of x. And let's not do anything here just yet. Run. Name x is not defined. Oh. Length of c. 1063. I gotta be honest, I attempted to just put in the top 1000. I mean, what harm's it gonna do, right? Is it gonna do any harm? I don't know if it's gonna do any harm. I don't think it's gonna do any harm. We're just getting a proof of concept up and running here, so if CNT is greater than or equal to 1000, then break. Okay, if CNT is greater than 100, then print this and insert level 2. Let's see what we have here. $1,001. So a lot of these just appear one time. So that would not be a good candidate for review. At least for level 1. But we don't want it to be, because level 1's just going to be the top 100 words. So I think this is good. I think we've got our words here. Okay. Now we just need to insert the actual stories. So let's see, where do I generate the counter? Where do I generate anything? Is this my code? Okay. Okay. So what do we have here? We have story text equals T? No. Equals data story. And then tuple SA, this is going to be part of speech word lemma, like that. And then story text needs to go outside. Okay, now I wanna see this. Print like that. Print story text, and then print this. I don't want to insert this if it's gonna be wrong. So run. Once upon a time, a bird found a shiny coin by chance. It picked it up and flew away bit by bit. That doesn't make a lot of sense. Oh well. Finally, it reached the end and bought sweet treats to share with its friends. Probably need to edit this, but you know what? For now, it's fine. So not set equals my POS equals set, and then my POS dot add what? Add this. So by making it a set, we're going to eliminate the duplicates. Okay, so let's go in here. This code loads a story and its parts of speech and puts the parts of speech into a set to eliminate duplicates. I need to write this to the database mentioned earlier. We need two tables, story and story part of speech. Story part of speech may contain items not inside of parts of speech, so we cannot reference by line number, by row index, but instead will match by word lemma. Part of speech, word lemma. Okay. Oh shit, I didn't show the code. All right. Create table. Let's write the Python code to interact with the database. Let's copy. All right, so create table if not exists. Create table if not exists. Primary key and text sounds good, and then story ID, part of speech, foreign key, story ID references. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, let's write the Python code to interact. Insert story, insert story parts of speech. Okay, let's come down here. All right, and this is going to return a story ID. This is perfect. So story ID equals insert story connection story text. What value type did it use? Text. Okay, that should be fine. Where did we go? And then insert story part of speech here. So we're going to have for something in my POS. Insert story part of speech. Then boom, and it's going to be connection story ID part of speech word lemma. And that should load our stories into a database, and then everybody's happy. Okay, run. Oh dear. Command's out of sync. You can't run this command now. That's fine. Why is it still angry? No data sources are configured. More actions. Just leave it alone. Stop looking at it. All right. Okay, is this going to run? I need to terminate this command here. Oh, wait. Let's see if it runs. It's taken a while. I assume it's doing something. So, show tables. Select star from story. There we go. There's all of our stories. Show tables. Select star from story POS. You know what? I think that we've got it in the database. I think that's a good stopping point. So let's stop there.